Oh, man. Come on. Oh, these are... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. I got this. And where is my little tool guys? Where are the tool guys? There we go. There we go. Well, the low jet is always the longest one. Tilt seats, and then one half turns out. What the heck's going on now? Okay, and then just have your just gonna put this together and stuff so I don't lose any parts of this guy. Last thing I need is lose a bunch of parts. Okay, that's all basically I can do for this one and stuff, because I don't have the ignition, all that kind of stuff. So I'm right now in a place of not much I can do now for this. But before I go and stuff, I want to ask you YouTubers out there, YouTubers, what do you think of our current government with Joe Biden and Kamala Harris? And whereas, would you like to have Kamala Harris as a new president, or would you rather have Trump? Personally, I'd rather have Donald Trump, because Biden didn't do anything. He just made our lives even more that hard. And I think Kamala Harris is just going to do the same thing, and she promises to do the same thing, from what I heard. So, yeah, what do you think, YouTubers? Do you think we're in trouble? Do you feel like, I don't know, like we're kind of screwed? I'd like to know, and I will go ahead and answer anybody who asks me a question, and we'll get a little discussion going on. Because personally, I am truly worried about our government and our country, because basically life is getting harder and harder. People are working more and they're having less, and things is just going crazy. Our government does not care about us anymore. It rather sends our tax money out to other countries and bring in illegal immigrants and feed them and give them a free place, and we're going to be on the streets, and the government doesn't care. What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to think? Is this what we want? Is this what we want the government to be and everything? I am really, really concerned, because I feel like we're going into a dictatorship. Because what I've heard that Kamala Harris, if she becomes president, she promises to go ahead and take away our Second and Fourth Amendment rights. And when you take away those rights and stuff, you can take away other rights. And this country won't be an America anymore. It'll be a dictatorship. And basically we won't be able to do anything. We won't be able to have a job or anything, unless the government lets us and they give us whatever job they want to give us. And they go ahead and just make everything miserable. But the government will make sure that the rich people will have everything, and then us normal people, you and me, the average Joe, we're going to be on the street. The government doesn't care. The government doesn't care that it's, already the government doesn't care about its homeless population. There's veterans, they don't care, but they're spending millions of dollars bringing in people from other countries, you know, immigrants, and these immigrants are just really bad. And but for what reason? Why do they bring them in for? Why are they bringing in all these millions of immigrants for? It doesn't make any sense. I mean, not millions, but hundreds of thousands of immigrants are coming in. And why is America? Why are the government bringing them into here? Why? You know, we can't afford to feed and house them all for free. And it seems, from what I've seen on the internet and stuff, on YouTube and stuff, is that they're just doing nothing but trouble. They're doing nothing but trouble and causing more problems. Well, anyway, YouTubers, that's it for me for today. This is Two Stroke Fanatic. Please go ahead and give me a comment what you think on what's going on in the government today. Give me a comment on how I did on this not so well, not running stihl leaf blower that it seems like the ignition coil is bad in it, and I need to replace it. And I think when I get that done, I think that's going to be it. Now it should be running because there is no spark in it. There's no spark at all. So I'm thinking that the ignition coil was dead. Please go ahead and give me a like, subscribe if you like. Please put down a comment, and I will see you later. And remember, gentlemen, the women may not find you handsome, but maybe they'll find you handy.